Okay, this is Scout and Charlotte. Scout is the world's cutest puppy. Now he's chewing her foot. Anna, we told Lizzie we were going to name it Anna, and she about freaked out.
Scout.
Hey,
Scout.
you have to get up and run around with her again so she bounces.
Okay, Scout, you ready?
She has one set of white eyelashes and a set of black ones. And she is really fast. And she goes on point.
Come here. Eek. Ah.
Let me see if I can get her face. Oh, this is going to be a video that makes you nauseous.
Get close, Scout. Do you want to? Aye.
Hey,
Hey.
Scout, look.
Ow. Ow. My fingers, Scout. My fingers. Ow. Ow. Come here, you little love bug. Little love bug. That is my hair.
So she slept with Steve and I for a little while last night. She fell asleep on the pillow.
She has my hair. Thomas, come help me.
Go on point.
Ah! I don't want you to bite me. Look it, she just pulled out all my hair. Ew.
So what did I say before? We're going on 60 days of no rain, 75 degrees. It is pretty.
Yeah, chew on your own tail. That's right. Your own foot. Ow, not my leg.
See if I can get a real close up. Look at those teeth. She needs some chew toys. We're going to get her 8 million of them.
Not my hands.
And she's so cuddly and soft, though, when she's tired, which is hardly ever.
Okay. Okay. No more chewing my hands.
So, Peter, you will love her. She's perfect.